This is how you're going to set seasonal pricing on Booking.com. Seasonal pricing, or setting different rates for different times of the year, is done through the rate plans and calendar section. First, you're going to log into your Booking.com extranet, and then you're going to head over to rates and availability from the top tab. And then from there, you can also just click on calendar and pricing section depending on what appears on your Booking.com dashboard. And then from there, you're going to select your calendar. You're going to choose the calendar view for the rooms that you want to adjust, and then set dates. Click on a specific date range or use the bulk edit feature to select a long period, like for example, summer season from June 1st to August 31st. You're going to then apply a new price. In the editing panel that appears, just enter the higher or lower price under the relevant rate plan, or an example would be a standard rate, and then you're going to then save the changes. The new price will be applied only to the selected seasonal dates. And that's it. That is how you're going to set seasonal pricing on Booking.com. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.